Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video, Jude Watercraft's ideas, I will share you friends. So viewers, let's start today video friends. Today I'm sharing Jude Watercraft's ideas. Viewers, I will share beautiful Jude craft ideas. If you have empty glass bottle at home, please do not throw them away. You can recycle them and turn them into amazing home decoration pieces. Jute is a natural, simple and very beautiful. It is keeper, chicken wardrobe. When we mix jute with glass bottle, we can create something very creative and stylish. So let's start today's video. Simple jute water bottle. For this craft, you need an empty glass bottle, jute drop, strong glue. Clean the bottle properly and let it dry. Now apply glue at the bottom of the bottle. Start warping the jute drop slowly around the bottles. Keep warping in a round shape. Press gently so the drop stick nicely. Connect the wall bottle and cover. Your simple jute bottle is ready. You can place it on a table, shelves, corners, standard look nature and elegant viewers and friends. Jute water washed with flowers. After wiping the water with jute, you can decorate it more. Attach artificial flower on side of the bottle. You can also add small leaves or lace ribbon. Friends, and